Ezra chapter 2, verse 1 to 70. Now these are the children of the province that went up out of the captivity, of those which had been carried away, whom Nebuchadnezzar the king of Babylon had carried away unto Babylon, and came again unto Jerusalem and Judah, every one unto his city. Which came with Zerubbabel, Jeshua, Nehemiah, Sariah, Reelaiah, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispar, Bigvai, Rehum, Baanah. The number of the men of the people of Israel. The children of Parash, 2,170 and 2. The children of Shephatiah, 370 and 2. The children of Era, 770 and 5. The children of Pahath-Moab, of the children of Jeshua and Joab, 2,812. The children of Elam, 1,250 and 4. The children of Zattu, 940 and 5. The children of Zakkai, 703 score. The children of Bani, 640 and 2. The children of Bebai, 620 and 3. The children of Azgad, 1,220 and 2. The children of Adonikam, 660 and 6. The children of Bigvai, 2,050 and 6. The children of Adin, 450 and 4. The children of Ater of Hezekiah, 90 and 8. The children of Bazai, 320 and 3. The children of Yorah, 112. The children of Hashum, 220 and 3. The children of Gibar, 90 and 5. The children of Bethlehem, 120 and 3. The men of Netopha, 50 and 6. The men of Anathoth, 120 and 8. The children of Asmaveth, 40 and 2. The children of Kirjatharim, Kephara, and Beeroth, 740 and 3. The children of Ramah and Geba, 620 and 1. The men of Michmash, 120 and 2. The men of Bethel and Ai, 220 and 3. The children of Nebo, 50 and 2. The children of Magbish, 150 and 6. The children of the other Elam, 1,250 and 4. The children of Haram, 320. The children of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 720 and 5. The children of Jericho, 340 and 5. The children of Sina, 3,630. The priests, the children of Jediah, of the house of Jeshua, 970 and 3. The children of Immer, 1,050 and 2. The children of Pashur, 1,240 and 7. The children of Haram, 1,017. The Levites, the children of Jeshua and Kadmiel, of the children of Hodaviah, 70 and 4. The singers, the children of Asaph, 120 and 8. The children of the porters, the children of Shalom, the children of Ater, the children of Talmon, the children of Akub, the children of Hadattah, the children of Shobai, in all 130 and 9. The Nethinims, the children of Ziha, the children of Hasupha, the children of Tabaoth. The children of Kuras, the children of Siaha, the children of Padon. The children of Libana, the children of Hagabah, the children of Akub. The children of Hagab, the children of Shalmai, the children of Hanan. The children of Giddel, the children of Gahar, the children of Rhea. The children of Rezin, the children of Nekoda, the children of Gazam. The children of Uzzah, the children of Paseah, the children of Besai. The children of Asna, the children of Mehunim, the children of Nephusim. The children of Bakbuk, the children of Hakupha, the children of Harhur. The children of Bazluth, the children of Mahida, the children of Harsha. The children of Barkos, the children of Sisera, the children of Thalma. The children of Neziah, the children of Hatipha. The children of Solomon's servants, the children of Sotai, the children of Sophereth, the children of Peruda. The children of Jala, the children of Darkon, the children of Giddel. The children of Shephatiah, the children of Hattil, the children of Patrath of Zebaim, the children of Ami. All the Nethinims, and the children of Solomon's servants, were 392. And these were they which went up from Telmela, Telharsa, Cherub, Adon, and Immer, but they could not shew their father's house, and their seed, whether they were of Israel. The children of Deliah, the children of Tobiah, the children of Nekoda, 652. And of the children of the priests, the children of Habiah, the children of Koz, the children of Barzillai, which took a wife of the daughters of Barzillai the Gileadite, and was called after their name. These sought their register among those that were reckoned by genealogy, but they were not found, therefore were they, as polluted, put from the priesthood. And the Tirshatha said unto them, that they should not eat of the most holy things, till there stood up a priest with Urim and with Thummim. The whole congregation together was 42,360. Beside their servants and their maids, of whom there were 7,337, and there were among them 200 singing men and singing women. Their horses were 736, their mules 245. Their camels 435, their asses 6,720. And some of the chief of the fathers, when they came to the house of the Lord which is at Jerusalem, offered freely for the house of God to set it up in his place. They gave after their ability unto the treasure of the work 61,000 drams of gold, and 5,000 pound of silver, and 100 priests' garments. So the priests, and the Levites, and some of the people, and the singers, and the porters, and the Nethinims, dwelt in their cities, and all Israel in their cities.